हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। आज हम 10th क्लास के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। ओके, इसमें हमारा जो चैप्टर है वो 6th चैप्टर इज गोइंग ऑन ट्राइंगल्स एंड इन दिस ट्राइंगल्स सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स एक्सरसाइज 6.1 done, 6.2 also done and other theorems also done, starting Thales theorem, converse of Thales theorem, and after that similar triangle criteria of two similar triangles means statement as the theorem, truth statement, SAS and AAA, all three angles, and SSS, all three sides are proportionally. Like that we have told everything. Now today question 1, figure given. What is question 1? NCERT book 6.3, question 1 to 4. Question 1, figures given, parts given, pair of triangle in each part, pair of triangle, pair of triangle, pair of triangles. I have here taken 4 part, 5th, 6th you can do by on. You understand this first part here saying state which pair of triangles. Question 1 is asking state which pair of triangles in figure are similar. First, second, third, fourth. Which pair are similar? Okay, and write the similarity criterion. Similarity criterion, write any name also of the triangles which are similar in symbolic form. So now first part you observe the figure. These are similar or not? We have to see. तो सिमिलरिटी में एंगल देखो 60, 60, 80, 80, 40, 40, ऑल थ्री एंगल. तो बाई ए सिमिलरिटी दीज फर्स्ट इज सिमिलर. तो यस बाई एंगल by angle criticism triangle A B C similar symbol. Triangle name A, angle A, corresponding angle of A is P, then P 60, corresponding angle of B, second number B, so B 80, then 80 Q, and then R, like this. Okay, now second part solution. See in the second pair, what is here? A, B, C and P, Q are two triangles. Here sides given 2, 3, 2.5. Here 6, 4, 5. You see here all are corresponding side proportionally or not? We have to check. तो देखो 2 है ये, 2 का डबल 4, 3 का डबल 6, 2.5 का डबल 5. तो वी कैन से सेम रेशो 1/2. तो 2/4, 3/6 एंड 2.5/5. तो 2/4 मीन्स AB/QR. AB/QR वी कैन से बाई SS. यस बाई SSS सिमिलरिटी. Name triangle, second pair ABC similar. You check corresponding side of AB is QR. Corresponding sides of AB is QR and AC is AC is QP, ध्यान दो। ओके बेटा, AB to then QR this. After that AC then AP, AB 2 then 4 Q, तो A corresponding Q and B corresponding to R, ठीक है, C corresponding to P, ओके, C is P then QP, ओके, QP then A B, ध्यान दें बेटा, AB upon QR है, that's why we can write A is AB then BC, BC कौन सी है, BC 2.5 then this is BC RP, okay, B is RP, okay, ठीक है, A B is QP, A is Q then BC, so like this you can write the A, then you start by the Q, A B C then Q, after that AB side is 2, then here upon 4 then QR, understand, then BC then RP, BC then RP double, okay, then AC first last, AC QP, AC QP, AC 3 and then QP 6, okay, like this we can write the name of the triangle, okay. Third, according to corresponding sides, okay, order must be written. Now third part, you see in third part what is here, observe first, 2.7 साइड है, वन साइड 2 है, वन साइड 3 है, 3 साइड, हेयर 4 5 6 हैं। अब देखो 2 का डबल तो 4 है, 3 का डबल 6 है, बट नो एनी अदर एंगल एंड थर्ड साइड का डबल नहीं है, तो एस 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 नॉट देयर, अंडरस्टैंड। 2 डबल है 4, 3 डबल 6, बट ये 2.5 होना चाहिए था, दैन दीज विल बी सिमिलर बट दीज मे बी सिमिलर बट हेयर नो, तो वी हैव टू राइट नो, नो नॉट सिमिलर। फोर्थ पार्ट, ऑब्जर्व फोर्थ, वन एंगल गिवन 70 हेयर, वन एंगल 70, तो इंक्लूडेड साइड 70 डिग्री, इंक्लूडेड साइड MN, इंक्लूडेड साइड QP, MN QP डबल, MN 2.5 QP 5 डबल, ठीक है। MN एंड QP एक साइड हो गई एंगल Q और एंगल M को बनाने वाली, दूसरी साइड ML डन QR, ML एंगल M को बनाने वाली साइड दूसरी, और एंगल Q को बनाने वाली दूसरी साइड QR 10 डबल, तो M वर्टेक्स इज इक्वल टू द Q वर्टेक्स, एंगल 70 70। सो इफ यू राइट हियर कि yes by SAS, two sides proportionally and included angle equal, तो by SAS similarity, okay, name triangle, which one triangle? M and L. If you are writing M and L, triangle M and L, triangle M and L, similar triangle MN, angle 70, M vertex, the Q vertex 70 and 2.5 का डबल 5, तो QP, not PQ. Understand? M vertex MN written, so it means you should write QP, not PQ. QP. Understand? MNL. Then you see ML, first and last. M vertex, L vertex last. First and last, ML is the double of first and the last, QR. QR is 10. Included side ratios are equal and angle equal 70-70. So by SAS similarity, these two angles are similar. Okay? So similarly, you can do other part by own, understand the figure and check. Now question number 2. Now question number 2 from NCERT book. What is question 2? We have to see that yes. See beta, question number 2. What is question 2? Question 2 is in figure. Figure is given. Okay beta, in question. Question 2 that this figure is given. According to this figure, what given? Triangle ODC similar triangle OBA. ODC similar OBA. It means D corresponding to B. D सेकेंड नंबर पर है, यहाँ सेकेंड नंबर पर है, ये गिवन है सिमिलर. तो ऑर्डर ऑफ द वर्टिसेस according to that corresponding angle will be there. So corresponding angle OO same and D will be B, D will be B and corresponding angle of C will be A. C angle will be A. Okay. Now because these are similar, it means equiangular. Similar means equiangular. This not given ke by which criteria. So criteria we should check here because 70 degree angle given. So according to that D vertex will be equal to B vertex. So angle B will be 70 degree. Okay. And after that you will check what here saying, find angle DOC, this angle. And DCO, C angle we have to find. Okay. Now you check 125 one angle is given, exterior angle of the triangle. You can see that what? Check here, if it is linear pair, then angle DOC will come. So we can say in the solution, angle D, this angle D O C will be equal, angle DOC will be equal 180 minus 125. Reason? Because DOB is a straight line. Because DOB is a straight line. Straight line, comma, तो क्या आंसर? लीनियर पेयर प्रॉपर्टी. लीनियर पेयर कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज हुई? लीनियर पेयर. दैट्स वाई सम 180, देन दिस एंगल विल बी 180 मान 125. देन हाउ मच विल कम? 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 2 5, then 55 degree. Done. So this angle B is 50. Angle DOC. Angle DOC is 55 degree. One angle we have got. After that, what you will do? Vertically opposite angle will be equal, and C angle we can find. In triangle DOC, angle D plus angle C plus angle DOC will be equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Okay beta? Angle sum property in the triangle. Sum of all three angles 180 degree. So now one is 70 angle D given. Angle C we have to find. Angle DOC we calculated in equation 1 above. So 55 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, then angle C will be equal 70 and 55 ऐड करेंगे एंड उधर जाएगा. कितना बनेगा? 70 and 55 125 बनेगा. नो 5 and 7 plus 5 12 125. तो it will go that side, right hand side in minus 125 degree. Okay beta? Then will be equal to subtract. Then again 55, 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 2 5. This is also 55. So angle C, what this? DOC. So DOC is 55. So angle DOC is also 55 degree. सेकेंड एंगल आ गया बेटा. फर्स्ट यहाँ आ गया था आपका, ठीक है. एंड थर्ड एंगल OAB. नाउ यू चेक OAB. OAB सिमिलर ट्रायंगल. ए एंगल किसका वर्टेक्स? ए एंगल ए सी के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग है. देखो ए एंगल इज द इक्वल टू सी बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सिमिलर ट्रायंगल ए एंड सी are the corresponding vertices. So angle C will be angle A. So we can write angle OAB will be equal to corresponding angle. ठीक है, सिमिलर ट्रायंगल है. एंगल OAB then OCD. ओके बेटा, OCD. Then angle OAB we have to find. OAB, so it will be first last OCD. Okay, OCD कितना होगा? एंगल OCD ये एंगल C, ये एंगल C, ये DOC एंगल C. Oh, angle C beta, angle C means DCO. It is wrong written. It is angle C. Angle C means angle C DOC. Okay. फिर वही एंगल C, एंगल DCO. एंगल DCO 50 डिग्री. तो OAB will be equal to OCD या DOC, and this will be equal to 55. Corresponding angles of similar triangle given. By the given of similar triangles, ठीक है बेटा, by this given we have taken these things, corresponding vertices equal, hence we have calculated all three. So like this we can do. Now next question number 3 we can do. What is question 3 in NCERT book? Now question 3 we have to do. See in NCERT book, question number 3. Question 3. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at the point O using a similarity criterion for two triangles. Show that OA upon OC equal to OB upon OD. Okay beta. Now draw the figure according to the question. Trapezium ABCD is trapezium. So ABCD is trapezium, make the trapezium, and here saying AB parallel DC. Diagonals AC and BD, AC and BD diagonals, ठीक है, intersect at point O. ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सॉल्यूशन ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. AB parallel DC. These things given, ठीक है, to prove OA upon OC equal OB upon OD. This we have to prove. Now you see what parallel given. So how can prove that? By similarity criterion, not by other. थेल्स थ्योरम में भी किया हमने क्वेश्चन लास्ट एक्सरसाइज में, ठीक है बेटा, बट यहाँ सिमिलरिटी क्रिटेरियन से आपको प्रूव करना है. तो सिमिलरिटी का मीनिंग देखो, यहाँ पर ट्राइंगल आपकी बनी हुई है DOC, ट्राइंगल AOB, दो ट्राइंगल बनी हुई हैं, ठीक है. You can see that these are parallel. DC parallel AB, so AC transversal. So this angle C of the triangle DOC angle C and of triangle AOB is angle A equal. Why? Because ये alternate interior angle of parallel line AB and DC given. Similarly, angle D angle D of triangle ODC, angle D and triangle OBA का angle B. Why these are equal? Because same DC parallel AB and DB is the transversal line, so alternate interior angle. To write these things in the proof, okay, easy to prove. सबसे पहले क्या लिखना है आपको? as AB parallel DC, AB parallel DC and DB या BD, BD is transversal line. BD is transversal. So, angle ODC, angle D is equal to angle B. ओके बेटा, ठीक है? क्यों? अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. ओके, सेकेंड पॉइंट, ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट हो गया बेटा, ठीक है? सेकेंड पॉइंट, सिमिलरली एंगल सी is equal to angle A. Similarly, alternate interior angle. Second point, or third, angle O is equal to angle O. Okay, vertically opposite angle. Angle O equal to angle O, vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. ये third point. So triangle ODC, ध्यान दें. ओके, ट्रायंगल ODC, सिमिलर ट्रायंगल O, D का वर्टेक्स है B, D एंगल इक्वल टू B, तो O B A, सिमिलर बाय ऑल थ्री एंगल A सिमिलरिटी. Okay, hence corresponding sides proportionally. Hence OD upon OB equal OC first last is equal to OA. Corresponding sides proportionally. Okay, corresponding sides proportionally. Now OA upon OC reciprocal equal to OB upon OD. So reciprocal we can say, or we can write OA upon OC, रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया बोथ साइड, OB अपॉन OD. हैंस प्रूव्ड, यही प्रूव करना था. हैंस प्रूव्ड. क्लियर? ओके, तो like this we can do easily Okay, now up to question 3 today done, only up to 3 we have to do in next lecture. Question 4. Okay, watch, take interest, like, share and subscribe the channel to get the next notification with you. Okay, and send the videos to the maximum contact so that they will get the benefit, and guide them. They will see and write the comment in comment box वीडियो उनको कैसी लगी, गाइड करना. थैंक यू. ओके.